Ever felt like you're doing all the hard work of running an online store, only to realize you're just a glorified middleman? Taking orders, chasing suppliers, managing inventory that you never even wanted to see in the first place? What if I told you there's a way to cut through all that noise, to connect directly with high-quality suppliers and offer amazing products without ever touching a single box? That's what dropshipping with Spocket is all about. It's not just another dropshipping app, it's a game changer. It's for the entrepreneur who wants to build a brand, not just a store. It's for the creator who wants to sell products that people actually get excited about. And today, we're going to break down exactly how you can use it to build a thriving business from scratch. So, let's get into it. The first thing you need to do is sign up for a Spocket account. I've dropped a link in the description to get you started. Now, once you're in, the magic truly begins. You're not just looking at a list of random products, you're entering a curated marketplace of suppliers, many of them based in the US and Europe. This is a crucial difference. It means faster shipping times, better product quality, and happier customers. No more waiting a month for a product from halfway across the world. The next step is to find your winning products. Spocket's search and filtering tools are incredibly powerful. You can search by keyword, category, price, shipping location, and even whether the supplier offers branded invoicing. That's right, you can often get your brand name and logo on the packing slip, making the whole experience feel like it's coming directly from you, not a third party. Spend some time browse. Look for unique items that align with your brand vision. Don't just follow trends, create them. Once you've found a product you love, adding it to your store is a one-click process. Spocket integrates seamlessly with platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce, making it incredibly easy to sync your chosen products. The product details, images, and pricing are all automatically imported. But here's a pro tip: don't just use the default information. Take the time to write your own compelling product descriptions. Use high-quality images. Tell a story about the product. Make it yours. This is how you differentiate yourself from everyone else. Now for the part that most people get wrong: pricing. Spocket provides a suggested retail price, but you have the final say. A good rule of thumb is to aim for a healthy profit margin, but also be competitive. Remember to factor in not just the product cost, but also your marketing expenses and a little extra for a rainy day. A smart strategy is to set your prices a little higher and then run promotions or discounts. This creates a sense of urgency and value for your customers. The final and most rewarding step is making sales. When a customer places an order on your store, Spocket automatically pulls that information. All you have to do is confirm the order with the supplier. They'll handle the packing and shipping directly to your customer. You don't lift a finger. No inventory to manage, no shipping labels to print, no trips to the post office. You get to focus on what matters most: marketing your store and building your brand. Spocket even provides real-time tracking information, which you can pass on to your customers. This transparency builds trust and reduces the dreaded "where is my order" emails. It's all about creating a professional and seamless experience that makes your customers want to come back again and again. So, whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur looking for better suppliers or a complete beginner ready to take the plunge into e-commerce, Spocket is the tool that can help you turn your vision into a reality. It empowers you to build a business that's not just a grind, but a joy. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.